Continuous improvement, as derived from the Japanese word kaizen, kai that means change and zen for good, presents the true meaning of what the Department of Education Cebu City Division has been working hard on, embracing change for the good of our service to our pupils and the rest of our stakeholders. These efforts are headed by no less than the executive team with the school's division superintendent, Dr. Riamar A. Angtud, assisting schools division superintendent, Dr. Bernadette Susvilla, school governance and operations division chief, Dr. Gresha Bataluna, and curriculum implementation division OIC chief, Dr. Lira Eliaga. School year 2016-2017 marked the beginning of the CI journey of the division when 6 out of 17 schools piloted the CI implementation program under the coaching and tutelage of the Cebu City Division CI team with Dr. Isidro Villaflor as team leader, Dr. Raylene Manawataw as process observer, Dr. Jean G. Egger as documenter, and Mr. John Paul D. Lacendato as the scribe. As a result, the Bulacan Community Schools The Best CI team conducted the CI project entitled Pagbansay sa Pagbasa, Yahweh sa Kinaadman, which was an effective reading exercise that aimed to give a remedial instruction to pupils who had difficulty in reading. The approach errorless teaching and errorless learning came about as the new process for remedial reading. This was introduced to the teacher in charge of the select grade 2 pupils of school year 2016-2017 based upon the data collected by the CI team who needed the most remediation for reading. The CI team of Bulacan Community Schools spent time and effort in instructing and teaching the teacher of the new process and approach. The efforts done by the team and the process owner didn't go in vain when a positive result was being yielded on the sample population. Indeed, one of the many fruitful products of the CI implementation in Cebu City Division. Last December 2020, a division-wide CI webinar was conducted wherein Bulacan Community Schools CI team was made to be Cluster 1's CI team coach. With great pride and honor, presenting North District 7 and South District 7's continuous improvement projects. To start with, we have Absungut Integrated Schools, Vlogger C, followed by Apas National High Schools, Cares, Barrio Luz Elementary Schools, C2LP. We also have Bitlang Integrated Schools, Lakbay Aklat, Bulacan Community Schools, Pagtambayayong sa modular nga pagtulunan tubag sa kalampusan. Bulacan Community High Schools, Teach to Enrich, Speak to Become Finest. Moreover, we have Camp Lapu-Lapus, Dirks, Inayawan Elementary Schools, Project Eureka, Inayawan Night High Schools, Imong Kaugmaon, Atong Ugmaron. We also have Sinsin Elementary Schools, Virtual Tambayayong, Sinsin National High School's Google Drive account namin, Kalaman, Palawakin. And last but not the least, Sudlon Elementary Schools, Project Paglao. To get to know more on these projects, you may visit us through to the link shown on the screen.